Kumikita ka ba ng 29,000 per month? O di kaya, pwede kang makakuha ng co-borrower to meet the required income? If yes ang sagot mo, pwede ka na maka-avail ng bahay dito sa Nabista Lipa. This is Yasmin Model, a 2-story townhouse, provision for 2 bedrooms. Malapit lang to sa schools, church, public market at other establishments. 5,869 lang ang monthly equity at 10,182 naman ang monthly amortization through Pag-ibig financing. Kung interesado ka, you can reserve this unit for 5,000 pesos. Magpa-schedule ka na ng tripping ngayon at tutulungan kitang magkabahay dito sa Lipa City, Batangas. For more details and tripping assistance, kindly contact us to our page and phone number on the screen. I'm Alma Plaza, your house tour kapitbahay.